पिछले हफ्ते कोक वी पॉपस्टार्स 2 में आपने देखा दूसरी सिटी चंडीगढ़ में हुए ऑडिशंस, जहां देखने को मिले आयुष्मान, किरणदीप और सचिन जैसे टैलेंट्स। चंडीगढ़ के फाइनलिस्ट्स को चुनने के बाद कोक वी पॉपस्टार्स 2 के ऑडिशंस आ पहुंचे हैं राजधानी दिल्ली। जहां कुड़ियों और मुंडों का जुनून बस देखते ही बनता है। वार्म अप सेशंस इन द लाइन।
You want a chance at it?
मैं भी ट्राई कर रहा हूँ चैनल वी पे।
You should start the auditions now.
पापा कहते हैं पॉपस्टार।
Give me a chance. I'm a good singer.
कुड़ी और मुंडे का फंडा जमेगा।
I want to fame, money. I want to rock the world.
I'm here to be the pop star.
पॉप स्टार बनना मेरा एक सपना है।
एक ख्वाब आज तोड़ दो तुम।
क्या करेगी तू पॉपस्टार बनके, जाएगी तू कहाँ?
Yeah, we'll be the next future pop stars here.
कुड़ी एंड मुंडा।
शोर शराबे में होती है ज्यूरी एंट्री।
Hello, this is me. We are in Delhi. This is day 1. Best of luck, good luck, good luck, good luck.
Good luck to everyone. Thanks Channel V, well done. Thanks Channel V, well done.
ये है शैलजा, दिल्ली की पहली पॉप स्टार प्रतिनिधि।
तो जा सकते हो। Music, my love, my passion, first desire, aim, everything. Hoping for the best, and I hope I qualify this round.
है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा।
मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा।
Because of the magnitude and the volume of people who are coming here today, we look at you just coming, doing one song as long as we think is okay, and that's it. There are no second chances to it. Are we ready to go, guys?
छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा।
Thank you, Shalja. Thank you so much.
अरे ओहो,
Huh?
अरे। हाँ, he, who, यही यहाँ।
We won't be calling you back.
Not selected, that's all.
Not even 10 seconds. वो लाइन भी नहीं गा रहे।
जयपुर से आए ये हैं जिमी फीलिक्स, एक डिटरमिन्ड सिंगर जिनकी आवाज ऐसी है कि लोग सुनते रह जाएं।
Jimmy, 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 आजा, आजा, आजा।
Playing guitar since last 13 years and I'm singing since my childhood.
Good control, the right pitch, and that much needed confidence.
Thank you. अमित एक चीज बता, एक्टिंग बहुत अच्छी करती है, मैं सुना।
बिल्कुल ठीक।
तो सुना दिखा यार क्या।
Yeah, show something.
मुझे सिमरन को भगा के ले जाना होता तो मैं कब का ले गया था। अब यहाँ आया हूँ तो अपनी दुल्हन यहाँ तो लेके ही जाऊंगा।
क्या बात है।
वीवा वालों, मैं पॉप स्टार में जाऊंगा, बॉबी को भी लाऊंगा, मेरे डॉलर का टुकड़ा है, चलो पॉप स्टार बन के आऊंगा।
कई पार्टिसिपेंट्स के लिए ये उनके सालों की वोकल ट्रेनिंग और तैयारी को डिस्प्ले करने का मौका है।
Music is one of the most important parts of my life.
As in the case of Vasudha Sharma,
I believe in God, that's why I believe in myself.
जिनकी आवाज से उनके ब्राइट चांसेस का अंदाजा होता है।
You left when you went away. It's not fair to deny me all the cross I bear.
Very happy. Actually, I came last year also. I got selected for the second round, but I was actually underage, so I didn't come for the second round audition.
Feeling very bad.
I don't want you to cover me, please. If I have talent, I can stand at the top of the Connaught Place tower and sing. And I'll do that one day.
पॉप स्टार्स में भाग लेने के टेंशन में अक्सर लोग अपनी लाइंस भूल जाते हैं और रेयर ओकेजन्स में अपनी उम्र।
They're not giving me a chance. Because I'm below 18 years.
What's your birth date?
17 October.
1984. 84? Then you're 18, already 18.
Actually, अभी होंगी, अभी हुई नहीं हूँ पूरी।
ओके चलो काउंटिंग करते हैं। काउंटिंग करो। 85 में 1 साल की हो गई, 86 में 2 साल की हो गई।
16, 17, 18, 19.
18 कब हुई तुम? 2002 में। तुम 18 साल की हो गई हो। Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. यहाँ पे कोई
ऑडिशंस के दौरान कुछ अनएक्सपेक्टेड बैकग्राउंड सिंगर्स।
Both of you are doing it. Come on, come on, come on. ये गाएगी, तुम डांस करोगे, साथ में हा करोगे.
इन कोरस गाते लड़कों को ये पता नहीं कि दरअसल उनकी परफॉर्मेंस जज की जा रही है। और जजमेंट का रिजल्ट
I've just come here to chase my dreams, that's it. I'm actually coming all the way from Australia, Melbourne, just for this. अब तो आजा शोला सामन दह के आके बुझा जा पिया तू अब तो आजा
अब तो आजा
मोनिका
देखो देखो वो आ गया।
कोई कहे कहता रहे कितना भी हमको दीवाना
गाएंगे हम।
Okay, I can try.
Thank you so much.
ऑडिशन रूम में बैठी एनक्रॉस्ड ज्यूरी इस बात से बेखबर है कि बाहर हल्ला मचा है with the first riot at Popstars. Watch what happens when Coke V Popstars 2 comes back after this break. The response at the Coke V Popstars Delhi auditions has been more than overwhelming.
The most amazing part is no one is here to confirm anything.
Mehna steps in to save the day.
Guys, hang on. Okay, listen to me, guys. One second. You want audition? The response today has been so good that we are specially having one more day tomorrow for auditions. Okay?
Auditions extend किए गए हैं एक और दिन से। ये है दूसरा दिन।
Today is the second day that we're doing in Delhi, and of course, we're not going to be doing any more days in Delhi besides the second round of audition which starts tomorrow. And I just hope that everyone's safe outside and nobody breaks again into a riot.
कोई कहे याओ
तू अब तो आजा
Thank you, Pinky.
Sir, just at that moment, sir, I was really tense. Please try not.
I'm you sing. No, there's no problem. So you can sing again. Not a problem. But we will not call you back.
That's the thing.
Can't help it, Pinky. You're being unreasonable now, Pinky. You're being very unreasonable. You know, and you're just making a scene in front of everybody. Don't do it. Take my advice. Don't do it.
I wanted to be in this group just because to be very frank, I want first one.
पॉपस्टार बनने का एक और कारण पैसा।
Not true. I danced around. Yeah.
The auditions go on.
Just move it to your camera.
And many losers are more than sore.
Chalo, now.
Nothing. I didn't get through. Big deal. I'm not into singing.
I just came for a try. I gave my best. Even if I couldn't make it, I don't have any regrets. At least I tried, so it was fine.
I should have been selected.
Standing out in the Delhi crowd is young Bismarck, जो complete popstar package में बने बनाए हैं।
Every night I'm at the Meridian Hotel, playing like a solo artist.
मिल जाए तो होगी खुश नसीबी।
Very nice, Bismarck. Very nice. Thank you.
Very good.
और क्या है बेवफा
You married? You know you're going to be for 6 months. You'll have to give up your husband.
My husband is damn interesting. That's not a problem.
Yeah. You're sure about that?
Yeah. Come
So
on.
you just dump him and go away. It won't.
No,
matter.
it's not dumping. He's always there in my heart wherever I go. That's
क्या
not a
बात
problem.
बोली है यार?
Whoa, yeah.
I'm actually selected.
I love you more than
Interestingly, the biggest supporters of competing housewives at Popstars are their husbands.
अब तो आजा la 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 la. I don't remember the number. I haven't.
Why are you going on apologizing? Yeah, you're singing well. There is something lacking in your performance, in the way you present a song. यार हिंदी बैंड बन रहा है तो मैं अंग्रेजी गाना गाओगे? You know what kind of pop stars being churned out nowadays? They have to all look like that woman who dances in Kaanta Laga.
I just hate Kaanta Laga. Chaata Laga.
good one.
पहला गाना जो है तूने दूसरे गाने से ज्यादा अच्छा गाया था. अब कंफ्यूजन ये हो गया कि तूने पहला गाना अच्छा गाया, दूसरा गाना अच्छा नहीं गाया. मैं क्या करूं बता.
सर आपको जो करना है आप कीजिए, लेकिन I wanted to sing so I sang.
गुड आंसर.
एमेच्योर सिंगर्स के साथ पॉप स्टार बनने का सपना खींच लाया है कुछ प्रोफेशनल को.
क्या नाम है तेरा यार?
पुनीत खुराना.
गाना गाता है तू? अदरवाइज यू सिंग? स्टेज पे गाता है क्या?
दिल्ली ऑडिशंस की सही छाप, सही रंग.
Hi, I'm Smarty from Khalsa College.
किसी दिन तू सपोज इंडिया का प्राइम मिनिस्टर बन गया तो सोच मिस्टर स्मार्टी हैज कम.
नहीं, प्राइम मिनिस्टर नहीं, सिंगर बनना है. तू तक तूतियां है जमालो, आंखों में है बिजलियां, सांसों में तूफान है. प्लीज गिव मी कंपनी. आंखों में है बिजलियां, सांसों में तूफान है. क्या है और पीछे हम इससे अनजान हैं, हमारे लिए ही तो है आसमान ज़मीन.
All the way to the gate, outside gate.
मेरा नाम पुष्पदीप है और मेरा अभी बैंड बजने वाला है, तो ध्यान से सुनिएगा.
तुमसे प्यार हुआ.
ये है पुष्पदीप, जिन्होंने ठानी है कि पॉप स्टार बन के ही रहेंगे.
प्यार हुआ.
थैंक यू. वेरी नाइस. वेरी गुड. वेरी नाइस.
आप नाराज मत हो, आपका परफॉर्मेंस बहुत अच्छा था.
नहीं नाराज तो हो रहा है वो यार, वो दुखी हो रहा है.
वोकल्स ना.
मैं अभी प्लीज यार, क्या कर रहे हो आप लोग?
ये तो बहुत.
नहीं यार, मैं ऐसे नहीं जाऊंगा.
नहीं, come on. You have to be positive. Come on.
Another remarkable voice at Delhi is of classically trained Jaspreet Singh Kohli.
ओ हम लोगों की ठोकर में है ये जमाना.
We'll see you tomorrow.
Oh my God, I don't believe this. I've come all the way from Nainital. Can you believe it? Hi Mom, I love you.
Minakshi's mom, she's been selected in the first round right now. Like, so don't get too happy. Yeah.
Long way.
But I know I have a long way to go.
कुछ लोगों के लिए ये पल याद दिलाता है बिछड़ों की.
I'm sure my grandfather, he just passed away in May last year. He must have been so proud of me. He knew I would make it big.
So that's it for day 2 and we are into day
3.
दूसरे दिन के बाद डे 3 के राउंड 2 ऑडिशंस.
आज हमने 107 लोगों को वापस बुलाया है, तो आज हम लोग जो सबसे उत्तम लोग हैं उन्हीं को चूज करेंगे. बट मे द
Best man and best woman win.
राउंड 2 में बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट होना है हमें. Masood, I want to ask you a question. Why do you want to be a pop star? Can't answer as the question is not meant for me.
Actually, my parents are not very comfortable with me, you know, becoming pop star.
So do they know you're here?
Yeah, they do know.
They're not very happy about it.
Not very happy.
So if you do get selected, would it be a problem with your family?
There is now.
You already have a problem with your family?
No, I had some kind of argument or something yesterday, but right now I'm here.
Okay, give it your best shot. Let's see what happens then, okay?
ये मेरा दिल प्यार का दीवाना 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 प्यार.
Vasudha, you were sleeping outside?
Yeah.
You were sleeping outside?
Okay, go back to sleep. You're coming back in the next round. Thank you. Go.
She's a patakri, yeah.
बेजान दिल को
ये मेरा दिल प्यार का दीवाना. Lost my voice.
We've asked you thrice कि कुछ perform करो and all you did was.
For the band, we're looking for something specific, which we did not find with you today. Mariah is your favorite singer.
You come to audition for a Hindi pop band and you're saying that you're not good in Hindi songs.
Can't call you back.
The band is going to be on the road performing all over the place. So we have to look at somebody who presents themselves, somebody who can really be on, stage and create fire.
They want some hot one. No, I'm not.
मैं ठीक से गा नहीं पाया.
I'm not selected for the second round.
होता है.
रिजेक्शंस की कतार बढ़ती जा रही है.
अरे नाद हो गया है यार.
चंडीगढ़ रिजेक्ट रणधीर सिंह और उनकी सेकंड ट्राई.
Come into the next round.
Come to the next round.
Bye bye.
What do you think you need to improve on to be in the band?
I think I need to improve on my Hindi.
Supposing they ask you to change your name for any reason.
So you want to call you Ram Prasad?
Ram Prasad, okay. That's as Indian
Not
as
Ram Prasad, please.
But do you know who was the first president of India? Who's the captain of the Bangladesh cricket team?
Okay, who's the president of India right now?
Who?
No, wait one second. Let me think. Shekhawat is the vice president, that guy.
Shekhawat, you know, this guy knows the vice president's name.
Yeah.
Okay, on that basis, we'll call you back in the next round. Come back in the next round.
Thanks.
पिछले साल की पॉप स्टार्स प्रतियोगी प्रियंका.
Who was the song for?
This is, I mean, I don't think I've done my homework.
कोई ये कह रहा है आज हमसे ना हार मानना.
कुड़ियों में एक यादगार आवाज है नीति मोहन की. With a voice like hers, she could go far in the contest.
Thank you, Niti. Come back in the next round. Thank you.
यादों में खोया रहता है.
हिमांशु कपूर.
ये झूठ बोलने वाला लड़का है.
झूठ बोलने वाला लड़का है.
You lied about your age.
He's not 18 yet. क्या होगा अब? Will he get his audition, or will he be asked to leave? Find out. कोकवी पॉप स्टार्स 2 में ब्रेक के बाद. कोकवी पॉप स्टार्स 2 के दिल्ली ऑडिशंस में एक अंडर एज इशू. हिमांशु कपूर.
It's not so important to be a pop star or anything, yaar. It's more important to be an honest person. You can't be a part of this. Thank you so much. You'll have to go. Please. You'll have to go, Himanshu. Shake my hand and go.
The dream is over, even before it begins.
मैं 18 का नहीं हूँ. बस एक महीने बाद 1 महीने का गैप है. Only 1 महीने. Yes, unfair, yaar. What is this? I think I am the best, better than the best, all over here.
Jaspreet Kohli is having a fine run at pop stars.
Sadhu.
How many years have you trained in Indian classical?
It's been 13 years.
See, the surprising part is this, Jaspreet, which is actually very worrying, that you actually are so much into Indian classical music, and there's not a single Indian classical singer that you like.
Basically, I like Bade Ghulam Ali Khan Saab.
But then why didn't you write that?
I thought like this is like more hip thing, so that's why.
सारे गाने की ना सब पानी फेर दिया ये आंसर देके यार.
No, actually, see, basically.
You come back in the next round. Thank you.
He's impressed the jury again and is called back.
I'm in the second round. Okay, we're going to put one girl with one guy now. As you all can see, there are more girls than guys in this room. So some guys will be paired twice with 2 girls. Okay?
Duet round में चुने गए लड़के और लड़कियां कर रहे हैं कड़ी प्रैक्टिस. This is their make or break moment.
Practice sometime I need a break.
मुझको आवाज दो खुजी तुम्हारे को था जाने जहां ढूंढता फिर रहा.
Sorry, the news isn't great.
We did our best. They were looking for
We
something
gave
different.
our best shot, but we couldn't qualify.
किसी डिस्को में जाए.
रणधीर का दिल्ली आना अब तक तो हुआ है सफल.
अब तो अगर सपोज यहाँ पे तुझे ड्रॉप कर दिया तो फिर तू लखनऊ आएगा?
ये मेरी ज़रूरत है. मेरे को आना पड़ेगा.
चलो, you're confirmed then. आप फाइनल राउंड के लिए आ जाओ. You come back in the final round.
Niti's selection is hardly a surprise.
सूरज हुआ मध्यम चांद जलने लगा आसमां ये हाय क्यों पिघलने लगा.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for coming. Great performance, but sorry, we can't call you to the final round. Yeah?
I'm very disappointed to see all those people who don't know Sa. Forget about the Ray, and they are singing there. I'm still challenging everybody. You can call anybody. It's sitting inside. Come here. You're also selected. Come here. Come here. आओ, पता लगेगा आपको. Come on. Sing any song and I will sing that one.
इसका क्या मतलब हुआ?
You don't have the guts. उसके लिए guts चाहिए. 4 घंटे हारमोनियम पे बैठना पड़ता है रोज. तब जाके अंदर से साह निकलता है. They people also know. You can see the fear on their face. Everybody, sir, even a jury also. I'm not going to sing this band now. Okay, but I will come alone.
आज ऐसा है कि आई थिंक इमोशनली ऑल 3 of us are very drained over the last 3 days एंड सिर्फ वही लोग यहाँ पर रहेंगे और जीतेंगे आज जो कि सचमुच उन लोगों से भी ज़्यादा अच्छे हैं. सो दे आर द पीपल हु आर फर्स्ट अमंगस्ट इक्वल्स.
Best of the best.
The best of the best. Guys, the fun and games have come to an end, and the decisions have been made. आप में से जो लोग आज जीतेंगे उन लोगों को हम लोग बॉम्बे में जाके टैबुलेट करेंगे और देखेंगे कि आप लोग सचमुच बाकी जगहों के कंपैरिजन में कितने अच्छे थे या कितने ख़राब थे। हम लोग उन लोगों के नाम और उन लोगों के लैमिनेट नंबर अब अनाउंस करेंगे जो लोग आज नहीं जीते हैं यहाँ पर।
The countdown has begun. Who will be the chosen ones at Delhi? जिन्हें मौका मिलेगा मुंबई आने का। देखिए अगले हफ्ते पॉप स्टार दिल्ली रिजल्ट्स के साथ लखनऊ और कोलकाता ऑडिशंस, और जानिए कि अब किसका बैंड बजेगा।
Selected. I tried my level best. Maybe next time I'll be able to do it much better.
Nothing to say. Please, please, please. Yeah, it's over. It's ended. It's ended. I'm out. Not a good loser, is it?
Let the best man win. I guess I wasn't the best man. पहुंचते होते रह गया, पहुंचते रह गया।